Hello again. Still I'm here at Ubay, Bohol. The size is 13,981 square meter. Clean title with mango trees. The problem is kuan guys. So many kuan tawag ani. Maraming damo. So this is Kanlat and it has already a road right of way at 300 pesos per square meter, located here in Barangay San Pascual, Ubay, Bohol. Few minutes drive from highway. I think just around 1 kilometer or less than 1 kilometer guys. So ako nalay mo so dito. So yeah. Ha? So it has already a perimeter fence guys na ano no. So this one no. Then I will make a way to go inside to see the mango trees. Actually it has so many mango trees guys. Maraming mangga. Pero yung may-ari hindi rin na nag ano dito kasi busy. Gusto na lang nilang ibenta. Binili nila ito noon sa akin. Tax declaration pa noon. Pero ngayon titulado na. Kasi yung nakaano sila ng free titling. Katulad din ngayon may mga free titling pa rin sa DNR. So ito po yung property guys. Sobrang dami ng damo talaga. Tabi-tabi. My God. Obligado talaga tayo makaano pasok sa loob. Ay. Okay. Medyo hapon na. It's already more than 5 PM. So, yun no. Maraming damo talaga guys. Pero kung maano mo ito, maganda to. Kasi marami talagang mangga. Hindi na pumasok ang cameraman. Ito na lang. Ganito talaga tayo pag mag-ano tayo ng property. Tingnan natin sa loob. See? Up, tabi. Pero kung ma-clean up to guys, maganda to guys. It's really a clean title guys. Ang maganda dito, pwede to gawing piggery or poultry. Dito ka. Okay, pusit tayo ng kaunti no. Kasi wala silang caretaker dito guys. Okay, let's go back na guys as long at least no we see the actual. So owner is Filipina, married to a foreigner no. So yung mga bamboo guys included pa yan. Yan po. Dito kaya ako daan. dumaan eh. Chubby. Tabi. Tinaniman ng ano? Sino kayang tanim? Mga cassava, bulanghoy sa Bisaya guys. Bulanghoy. Oy, repuri habitin palayo. Laom naman diri. Dili na lang ko balik sa agi. Pero ito talaga guys is nearer to the highway lang. Kung maayos to, it's really a very nice property. Oh my God, ang hirap daanan. Kaya wala talagang bayan eh. Ano ko yung sabihin ko? Kuyawan kung naibitin na ni simpak ko lang. Oh. Ay. Oh. So, ito po yun guys. Okay. Una dito. Okay. Yan ang magbalat ng bocho. Oh. Yeah. So hanggang ano yun? Yan. Bamboo trees. So 300 pesos per square meter. 300 pesos per square meter. Kung mag-negotiate tayo, make sure that you are really interested talaga, kasi iba yung foreigner, may isang salita talaga yon. So ito po yon ang road right of way. So ito po yung kalsada. Okay. So ito po yun ang malaking bahay, no? Malapit lang yun, mga 1 kilometer magigit po siguro. So rough road but nearer to National Highway. 500 meters lang yata pala. Oh, kita yung highway, oh. 600 meters. na mo?
Kopta?
Action na. So ito po yung center ng San Pascual guys. So malapit lang talaga sa public market yung property natin binibenta. Super lapit lang talaga. More or less nasa 500 meters lang. So, yun. So it's part of Ubay, Bohol. Pero iba itong klaseng barangay na to kasi para itong town, para itong municipal. So kompleto na itong Pascual guys. Complete na. So ito po ang sentro ng San Pascual. So ang property natin binibenta is just around 500 meters. San Pascual. Yan po San Pascual. Yan San Pascual, Ubay, Bohol. So ang maganda dito sa San Pascual guys kasi itong San Pascual noon sabi ng kaibigan ko nag-apply ito ng maging isang town. So because it is around 10 kilometers from the center of Ubay, so nag-apply ito ng town, separate town, but hindi na approve sa Congress. So yung property natin is around 500 meters lang ang distansya galing dito. So very nice talaga guys. For inquiries, just contact me and please subscribe our YouTube channel. We will process transfer of title, and if you have properties for sale, just submit it to us. We'll help you sell your property. Then we have a website www.propertypage.net. Again, thank you very much and God bless to all. Happy viewing. Bye.